Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can extend a song in Suno on mobile. In order to do so, here we are in Suno for iOS, and what we're looking for, we can find in the library at the bottom right-hand corner. The second icon here will take us to our library, and then from here, we can find any song that we might want to use, and we are going to click one of the three dots, and then you can see here where it says extend. We're going to click that, and then here we go. We now have our extend screen, and when we're ready to extend, we can hit the button there at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.